If you are creating technical documentation in Confluence and you want it to look more professional, easier to understand, UML diagrams are honestly one of the best tools you can use. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create clean professional UML diagrams. So, when you are working in Confluence, the two most common options we have is this one here, draw.io, and also Glymphy. So this is Glyphy, this one right here. Both are very powerful and widely used in entire price environments. But today we will go with draw.io because we have it on our page right here. Now we will click on draw right here. Once it's open, on the left side here, you can search here for UML, like so. And now we'll load up some diagrams, as you can see here in this window. So I will go maybe with this one, first one, or the second one, or we can go with this one. It doesn't matter pretty much. You will decide which one you want. Like so, create. And now we have here UML diagram. Now here we can start with this template. So we have here already structures, symbols, and you now just need to customize them for your project. So it makes you really easier to make the whole diagram. And when it's done, you will have it right over here, placed in your document. And that's basically it. You have just created a professional UML diagram inside Confluence. It looks great, it's easy to maintain, and it makes your technical documentation much clearer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, also comment down below that you have subscribed, that I can thank you personally. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.